All right, so next up here, let's talk about Robinhood Crypto and more about where this is available to investors and who is and is not able to use Robinhood Crypto, as well as what actual cryptocurrencies are supported on the app. So Robinhood is unique because they offer commission-free cryptocurrency trading, and there's not a lot of other apps and financial companies offering this. So that being said, if you are able to purchase Robinhood cryptocurrency, which we're going to cover in a second, these are the available cryptocurrencies. You can purchase Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin SV, Dogecoin, Ethereum, Ethereum Classic, and Litecoin. And that list does change from time to time, so you're going to want to keep track of that if there's a specific cryptocurrency that you are looking for. Now, if you're looking for data on cryptocurrencies, they do support real-time data on the following cryptos, but you are not able to trade them. This list includes Bitcoin Gold, Dash, Lisk, Monero, Neo, as well as Omnize Go, Qtum, Ripple, Stellar, and Zcash. So you can get quotes on those cryptocurrencies, but you're not able to actually purchase them through Robinhood. That being said, guys, there's a long list of states that support Robinhood cryptocurrency. It's too many for me to cover in this video, but I can include a link down below with a website here that shows you what states support Robinhood cryptocurrency, but I'm not going to waste your time by reading off a list of like 30 different states here. So most states are supported, but if you want to check and make sure, go ahead and check out down in the description below.